let's do a skip trowel. That's kind of your Santa Fe style look.
Yeah.
And you know, Romy, how he got the nickname Wizard.
That's where we're getting to.
Okay. All right.
So skip trowel is, you use your topping. So that's another thing we were going to talk about. Topping is good for topping. It's not good for taping, not for putting the mud on or for putting the drywall tape on. It's good for topping and textures. So a skip trowel is where you mix your mud down enough that it doesn't drip off your knife, but it's pretty loose. And you put it on the edge of your knife, about I'd say maybe 1.5 inches of mud, and just kind of scoop it out of your pan. And then you go to one edge, the opposite edge of what you're going to work, because you want to pull it from there first, and you put it on your angle of your knife. You put it up a little steep, and then you drop it fast and go level, and just slowly, or just medium, just kind of skim it across. Now you want to go the other direction and start pulling your stuff into that.